Success on the NHA Phlebotomy Exam 2026 isn't about memorizing steps. It's about understanding the correct process under pressure. Many students struggle because they confuse the correct order of draw. Welcome to Certify Edge. In this video, I'll guide you through exam-level order of draw questions with clear answers and explanations to help you build confidence. Let's get started. Which tube is collected first during routine venipuncture using evacuated tubes? A. Lavender top. B. Light blue top. C. Blood culture bottles. D. Green top. Answer, C. Blood cultures are drawn first to avoid contamination from additives. Why must the light blue top tube be drawn before serum tubes? A. To prevent hemolysis. B. To avoid clot activator interference. C. To improve blood flow. D. To reduce patient discomfort. Answer, B. Clot activators from serum tubes can alter coagulation results if drawn first. Which tube is typically drawn immediately after blood cultures? A. Green top. B. Gold top. C. Light blue top. D. Gray top. Answer, C. Coagulation tubes are collected right after cultures to maintain accuracy. Drawing a lavender top tube before a serum tube may result in A. Increased clotting. B. EDTA contamination. C. Hemoconcentration. D. Dilution error. Answer, B. EDTA carryover can alter calcium and potassium values. Which additive is found in lavender top tubes? A. Heparin. B. Sodium citrate. C. EDTA. D. Fluoride. Answer, C. EDTA binds calcium and prevents clotting. What is the correct order after the light blue top tube? A. Serum tubes. B. EDTA tubes. C. Glycolytic inhibitor tubes. D. Blood cultures. Answer, A. Serum tubes follow coagulation tubes in proper sequence. Which tube is used for glucose testing? A. Lavender top. B. Gray top. C. Red top. D. Blue top. Answer, B. Gray top tubes contain fluoride to preserve glucose levels. What is the primary purpose of following the correct order of draw? A. Reduce patient pain. B. Prevent additive carryover. C. Speed up collection. D. Improve needle insertion. Answer, B. Incorrect order can cause cross-contamination of additives. Which tube contains sodium citrate? A. Light blue top. B. Green top. C. Gray top. D. Lavender top. Answer, A. Sodium citrate is used for coagulation testing. Which tube is drawn last in standard order? A. Lavender top. B. Gray top. C. Green top. D. Red top. Answer, B. Gray top tubes are collected last to avoid additive interference. If a phlebotomist skips the correct order, what is the most likely outcome? A. Faster procedure. B. Accurate results. C. Sample contamination. D. Better patient comfort. Answer, C. Improper order increases risk of additive carryover. Which tube uses heparin as an anticoagulant? A. Green top. B. Blue top. C. Gray top. D. Lavender top. Answer, A. Heparin prevents clotting and is used for plasma testing. What is the correct sequence for serum tubes? A. After EDTA. B. Before coagulation tubes. C. After coagulation tubes. D. Last. Answer, C. Serum tubes follow coagulation tubes. Which tube would be most affected by EDTA contamination? A. Glucose. B. Calcium. C. Hemoglobin. D. Platelets. Answer B. EDTA binds calcium, leading to falsely low results. Which order is correct? A. Blue, red, green, lavender, gray. B. Red, blue, green, lavender, gray. C. Blue, green, red, lavender, gray. D. Gray, lavender, green, red, blue. Answer A. This follows standard order of draw. Why are blood culture bottles drawn first? A. To reduce clotting. B. To avoid contamination. C. To speed process. D. To reduce pain. Answer B. Sterility must be maintained. What happens if gray top is drawn before lavender top? A. No effect. B. Glucose decreases. C. Additive interference. D. Blood clots faster. Answer C. Improper sequence causes additive carryover. Which tube is associated with hematology testing? A. Green top. B. Lavender top. C. Gray top. D. Blue top. Answer B. EDTA tubes are used for hematology tests. Which tube contains clot activator? A. Red/gold top. B. Lavender top. C. Gray top. D. Blue top. Answer A. Serum tubes promote clot formation. What is the correct order after serum tubes? A. Gray top. B. Lavender top. C. Blood culture. D. Blue top. Answer B. EDTA tubes follow serum tubes. Which tube prevents glycolysis? A. Green top. B. Gray top. C. Blue top. D. Lavender top. Answer B. Fluoride preserves glucose by inhibiting glycolysis. Improper order of draw most affects which type of test? A. Vital signs. B. Coagulation tests. C. Height measurement. D. Weight check. Answer B. Coagulation tests are highly sensitive to contamination. Which is true about order of draw? A. It reduces needle pain. B. It prevents additive interference. C. It increases blood flow. D. It shortens procedure. Answer B. Main goal is to avoid contamination. Which tube should never be drawn before blood cultures? A. Blue top. B. Any additive tube. C. Gray top. D. Green top. Answer B. Additives may contaminate cultures. Which sequence is incorrect? A. Blood culture blue serum. B. Blue blood culture serum. C. Serum green lavender. D. Lavender gray. Answer B. Blood cultures must always be drawn first. A phlebotomist accidentally draws a green top tube before a serum tube. What is the most likely issue? A. Hemolysis. B. Additive carryover affecting serum results. C. Increased clotting. D. Sample dilution. Answer B. Heparin from the green top tube can interfere with serum chemistry testing. Which tube sequence is correct when multiple specimens are required? A. Blood culture blue serum green lavender gray. B. Blue blood culture serum lavender gray. C. Serum blue green lavender gray. D. Blood culture serum blue green lavender. Answer A. This follows the standard order to prevent additive contamination. Why should EDTA tubes be drawn after serum tubes? A. To improve clotting. B. To prevent potassium interference. C. To reduce blood flow. D. To speed collection. Answer B. EDTA contains potassium, which can falsely elevate lab results if contamination occurs. If a gray top tube is drawn before a coagulation tube, what is the most likely effect? A. No change. B. Clotting factor alteration. C. Glucose increase. D. Platelet decrease. Answer B. Additives in gray top tubes can affect coagulation test accuracy. Which action best ensures correct order of draw during a busy collection? A. Memorizing tube colors only. B. Following a standardized sequence every time. C. Drawing tubes based on urgency. D. Asking the patient. Answer B. Consistent use of the standard sequence prevents errors under pressure. Hope this practice helped you. Don't forget to subscribe Certify Edge for more NHA Phlebotomy Exam questions 2026. And comment your score below. Keep learning and see you in the next video.